Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. So yesterday we received this TID radio box sponsored by TID Radio. So what we have here is the TID Radio POC network radio. So inside this box is the two TID Radio POC radio. Okay. And so belt clips, lanyard, okay, charging adapter, and the type C charging cable. So okay, so just a quick review for this radio. So this radio can be charged using a type C charging cable. So to remove the battery, press down this lock and slide, okay, just like that. And the battery is lithium ion. Capacity is 3000 mAh. So it's a big battery for this POC radio, and it will last long. Okay, so just a quick review. What we have here is the port for the earphone and the mic. So it's a K-type headset or earphone jack, okay, just like the other radios. And we have here is the PTT, two side keys, okay, it's a big screen here, okay, it's handy, small, yet a little heavy for this radio. So to power up this radio, so we need to press and hold this red button, okay, this red button over here. So 1 2 3, okay, wait for a while. It's a 4G radio, 5G. Okay, logging in, just wait.
Tag join group.
Okay, the display, time, the network signal, SIM cards, battery, date. So it is April 25th, April 22, 2025, sorry. So okay, for the volume key, we can use up and down. So to add volume, press up, okay. To lower down the volume, press down key. Okay, let's try. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. Testing on 1 2 3.
Testing on 1 2 3.
Testing 1 2 3
Testing
4.
1 2 3 4.
So it's just a split second delay. Okay, so that's it for now. Have a nice day ahead. 73 and mabuhay.